Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of TechBytes with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the Orville Redenbacher's Gourmet Popcorn Kernels. Isn't that a mouthful? And there's a pun intended there. And 3 things you need to know. If you get value from this video, please click on subscribe and enable notification. I would really appreciate that. For those of you that kind of want the taste of, say, some of the popcorn when you go to a movie house or a drive-in theater, this is something worth looking at. Thing number 1, and this is a manufacturer's claim, it's 100% natural and gluten-free. It has in terms of a taste, it's just a tad to the sweet side. That was kind of been my objection to popcorn. You swore like you were barting through cardboard, and that is very much not the case. Now, according to the manufacturer, this is a source of fiber, and everything I've read, and I encourage you to do your own research, would confirm this. Now, it's just a matter of how you decide to serve it, and that's where we come up to thing number 3. It's good, in my opinion, without any seasoning. Now, I've tried some of the shake-on flavorings. It's okay. If you want something a little more buttery, then I've had good luck with I can't believe it's butter and just a pinch of salt, not much. So that has always been very good. If you're doing this in a microwave popper, you need to kind of play around with it in terms of the amount of cooking time. Now, mine doesn't give me that option. I have 2 different settings as to how much popcorn is in the container. And I've found generally when it decides to cut off, now I've got a probably slightly newer microwave, that you'll always have some degree of uncooked kernels. So, it's worth a shot. You can get all sizes of containers with this. I needed to hit an order minimum, so I went with one of the smaller ones. When I go back for a reorder, I'll probably get one of the bigger ones. It's just looking at what is, going to get me the best value, and more importantly, what I can get quickly, because I don't like to store things for great periods of time. So take a look at this one. I think you'll be very pleased with it. I know I have been, and I'm not a picky person, but I know what I want, and when I don't have it, it's just like, okay, put it off to the side, next. So take a look at this one. I think you'll be very happy with it.